Imagine if your place of study and of relaxation were the same, overlooking the dynamic Melbourne cityscape between a bamboo grove and a verdant oasis. For students at RMIT University's Melbourne City campus, this will soon be their daily reality with the construction of their new academic street, which has been called the NAS project. This morning we have with us RMIT's new academic street student experience project manager, Kelly Bosman. Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning, Neil.
Thanks for coming in this morning. Can you first tell us a little bit about NAS and why RMIT is in need of this makeover?
Well, the old or former RMIT before construction started was really designed so it actually turned its back onto the city. Adam Pistola, who was the senior architect on the project, described it as a place you couldn't even find your way into. This is why RMIT is in need of this transformation to break down barriers. RMIT is so connected to life. You know, it's all about getting not only a decent education, but having those industry experiences. So the campus should reflect that and connect to the city, the future workplace for most students. And another reason for NAS is that with advancements in technology, students are learning in different ways, as teachers are teaching in different ways. The old RMIT didn't allow or support that. The classrooms and spaces were all the same and almost old-fashioned. However, NAS is creating areas that are more versatile and student-friendly. For example, Chris Arthur, who is the Senior Projects Officer in the School of Engineering, is excited about the improved teaching labs. He describes the equipment as new, out-of-the-box, high-end instrumentation for the lab-based learning programs. They have an open, brighter feel with contemporary finishes and, like I said, are better suited to RMIT's collaborative-based learning model.
Very good. Just getting back to what you said about the new RMIT opening up more to the CBD, does this mean you're encouraging members of the public to come through?
Yes, of course. So everyone is encouraged to use the spaces. A big part of the project is opening up the campus to the city, and creating a refuge within the middle of the Melbourne metropolis will certainly bring people in.
Refuge? Are these the green spaces I was hinting at in my opening?
Yes, exactly. These green spaces, which anyone is encouraged to use, include some developments such as the garden building, sky gardens and terraces, where the environmental approach will be visible to staff, students and also the surrounding community. These rooftop spaces are going to feature raised garden beds and evergreen plants such as low ferns and bamboos and flowers. The garden building, I think, is the most exciting. It's going to have a wide and colourful variety of plants and even small edible plants at all different levels of the structure. And I should also definitely mention that these developments all have a 5 Green Star rating.
And what does that exactly mean?
So Green Star is a voluntary sustainability rating system for buildings in Australia, and the Green Star rating system assesses the sustainability of projects at all stages of the built environment life cycle. And in addition to this, NAS is also going to include a sustainability space, and that is going to be an interactive and informative exhibition and discussion space for sustainability. An example of how it will be used is to promote sustainability-related events such as Earth Hour, Fair Trade Fortnight and Sustainability Week.
Sounds fantastic. Thanks for joining us this morning, Kelly.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me. And
if you'd like to find out more about RMIT's transformation, you can go to the NAS website on nas.rmit.edu.au.